Morning, y'all. 3 o'clock in the morning. Gotta wake up early, work on clients. We're meeting up with Danny Vega, Matt, and the whole crew to train shoulders at goals this morning. But I gotta get some work done first. Let's do it. Alright, we just finished up with the clients. Head to the gym right now. Meeting up with these guys.
How's it going?
Good.
What's going on,
what's up, man?
Give us a flex, Teresa. Flex, flex.
Good morning.
And Mike's over here killing it.
What's up?
We just been joined by Matt and Mega. Oh, check them out, check them out. All right, so we're doing a dip competition, dip burnout, and I want to let y'all know I'm gonna smoke Danny's butt. Just gonna give you a heads up right now. How many did you get?
20.
20?
Yeah.
20 dip? Come on, come on, you gotta beat Danny. Beat 20, get 21.
Oh, he's gonna crush me.
Get 21. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go.
Good job, bro. It was like 22 and a half.
22 and a half? All right, he's killing it. He's killing it. You gotta get 23, get 23. Mike's gonna be a saw, he's gonna get 50. He's gonna get 50.
Yeah.
What did you get, bro? How much you get? 30. 30. 35, right, Bobby?
You got this, bro.
Yeah. Woo! 59.
Yeah, good job, bro.
Good. Nice, man, nice.
You like my boxes?
Yeah. Take the shirts off. Rocking this. You recording now? Oh, shirtless? Yeah, man. I'm rocking out here. Woo! Look at that. Look at that hairy man.
No, man.
Front of a bicep?
What do I do? Just tell me what I do.
That one?
Okay.
Open up a little bit, man. There you go.
We'll do a front lat spread.
How do I do that? I don't know what to do here.
You gotta hook it and bring it forward.
There you go. There you go. Back double bicep. Let's do a side. Let's do a side check.
This is all new to me. Guys, can't you tell I'm like a fish out of water here?
Back double bicep. Back lat spread. And then like a hands over head abdominal.
I don't even know what to do here. I feel like... I don't know what to do. I have to stand.
Mega, what we doing, Mega?
Vertical jump.
Mega's doing a vertical jump. Here we go.
Going for beating Danny Vega.
Hey, she's got it. She's got it. Whoop, you saw it here first.
16 inches! I do it again, I do it again.
Yeah. Doing it.
Okay, so you can do what I can jump.
Yeah, that's as high as I got. Did you get the green?
That was it.
Wait, do it again, do it again. Alright, y'all, we just rocked out an arm workout, a shoulder workout. Danny Vega, Crystal, and everybody else already left us. Crystal and I are gonna get some coffee at Starbucks, and we'll catch y'all at the conference. Alrighty, y'all, we just got done getting cleaned up, taking a shower, all that jazz. We're headed to the convention center now to start Keto Con day 1. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're at the booth, the Expo Center. Well, it's really dark in here. We got the keto brick booth set up. We got Crystal Man in that, or womaning that. Client Erwin in the building.
What's up?
What's going on, man?
Yeah, what's up?
How's it going? Good. How you been? Good, man. Good. Dry Farm Wines. How was the day?
It was really good. We did sell a good amount of bricks. It was really quite the experience. So awesome to meet all the different people that came from all different states, all different areas, and a bunch of people that knew us, a bunch of people that have been following us, and it was just really cool. Get to know everybody's story and everything. I got to talk to a lot more people this year because we had a booth than last year, by far.
Yes, 100%. By the way, y'all, we were terrible about filming today. We honestly did not film very much at all. It was just chaos. Neither Crystal or I have slept at all, so we just tried to stay on top of things. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try and get footage of every single vendor. So we'll do that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And then I'm speaking tomorrow. I've got the fitness panel tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be the crazy day. This is just kind of like the warm-up day, so let's do it.
So
Erwin's one of my clients.
I'm doing this right here.
He's prepping for his first competition. He's using his phone now because he's trying to vlog,
you know.
but he didn't do it right because he didn't get a big enough SD card.
I'm a noob.
He's a noob, like, hey, but he's learning.
I got this like in one day, you know. Amazon, like Prime,
hey,
1 day delivery.
He's gonna get there. He's gonna get there. Alrighty, y'all. We are at the after party for dinner of Keto Con. Let's do it. Sing it, man.
Can't touch this. Yeah. You can't touch this. I told you, you can't touch this.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the room, and Crystal and I are so tired. We can't stand it. Our feet are so swollen. Our ankles and our feet like can't even fit into our shoes. We've been just standing up all day. Day 1 of this conference, and it's absolutely awesome. Like, the people here, awesome. The vendors here, awesome. I had several of my clients come up. Awesome. The after party, like little VIP meet and greet dinner thing, was amazing. There's so much that happens. I didn't catch much footage of the conference today, y'all. I'm sorry about that. We're gonna catch a lot more footage tomorrow. I'm gonna try and take the camera around to each vendor, get some footage of that. But today was day 1, so I just wanted to focus on getting our booth set up, kind of getting a feel for having a booth. This is the first time we had a booth. That was awesome. So huge shout out to everybody that came and stopped by the Keto Savage booth, got a brick. There's so much that we don't capture on camera. Like, I want to put everything out there for y'all. I want to get everything on footage so y'all can see everything, you know, not miss out. But there's so many times where, like today at the dinner party afterwards, like the VIP dinner party with the speakers and everybody. I was in an involved conversation with Jimmy Moore, Dr. John Lemansky, Dr. Ken Berry, Danny. Like, we were all just talking. I didn't whip out the camera and capture that moment, you know, because I didn't want to interrupt the flow of that moment. You know, I think having moments like that without the camera, without the social media, just truly interacting one-on-one without the desired intention of posting it on social, leaves that moment more pure. So I didn't get a whole lot of footage of that kind of stuff today, which I apologize for. But at the same time, I don't apologize for, because I think it's very important to have those moments, and I think that's important too. So tomorrow I'm gonna try and get a lot more footage. I'm gonna try and get some sleep tonight. We're just super tired. We gotta get geared up and get some rest for tomorrow. But day 1 of Keto Con in the books. Had a blast. It was a success for sure, and it's only gonna get better tomorrow. So buckle up, let's get ready to rumble. See y'all then.